will never see you.
Questo greit.
He is the corner of the cell phone. And I really como sempre. Kill him! This is gonna be fun, bruh.
Try not to come in your pants.
Twice. Holds that burp for long there. Another red light. All the red lights. Green. And another red light.
God just has to rev off the boat.
Rev off.
Happy about the red lights, so let my car warm up a bit.
Yeah. Prevents us from breaking speed limits, because we never break the speed limit.
Okay.
This is on camera, so we never break the speed limits. She pulls like a prostitute. Look! I felt the blood leaving my legs there for a moment. It's just like coming up, right? Oh, guys, damn.
What you say, there isn't a GTI that's gonna catch this.
No, bro.
There isn't.
And if it is a GTI, it's not rolling with the 2-liter TSI. No games. Disturbing the peace.
How do you like that rev match though?
Bruh.
Been practicing that shit.
I like everything. Peasants!
It launches, eh?
No, bro, that manual box though.
I don't think I'm too bad with this shit.